Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 26th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is from the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 26 reads, the student wants to introduce Cathryn Halverson's book to an audience already familiar with the Atlantic Monthly. When you see the bullets, don't read them. We have seen on some more recent tests that there are some rare cases where you do need to read the bullets, but go through the answer choices without reading bullets, because what happens is more than one answer choice is true based on the bullets, and if more than one answer choice is true based on the bullets, then students get confused. There's only going to be one of them that's answering, that's addressing that part after the student wants to. Everything will start with students wants to. So I underlined the part that you want to read, especially if timing's an issue for you. This will save you time, make it simple for you. Answer choice A, Cathryn Halverson's Faraway and the Atlantic Monthly discusses female authors whose autobiographies appear in the magazine in the early 1900s. It looks like it definitely does introduce Cathryn Halverson's book. Already familiar with the Atlantic Monthly, it sounds like it might be introducing the Atlantic Monthly as well. It sounds like these are both discussing female authors, blah, 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 blah. But we'll leave it. Let's go on to the next answer choice. A magazine called the Atlantic Monthly, as soon as you read that, especially if timing's an issue for you, it says that you're already familiar with the Atlantic Monthly. So you're not going to be introducing it, telling you that it's a magazine called the Atlantic Monthly. You could cut it off right there. And it says, refer to Cathryn Halverson's book, title, was first published in 1857. It's not really introducing her book. I mean, doesn't even tell you her title or anything like that. Answer choice C. Faraway Women and the Atlantic Monthly features contributors to the Atlantic Monthly, first published in 1857, as a magazine focusing on politics, art, and literature. Sounds like it's introducing the Atlantic Monthly. And remember, authors already be familiar with Atlantic Monthly. So it looks like it's not these two. Answer choice D. An author discussed by Cathryn Halverson is Juanita Harrison, whose autobiography appeared in Atlantic Monthly in the early 1900s. Sounds like this might be addressing someone who's already familiar with the Atlantic Monthly, but it's not introducing Cathryn Halverson's book. It's talking about an author discussed by Cathryn Halverson. That's gone. Answer choice A is your best answer. I don't love it, but if there's any questions you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. Check out our 1-minute video. If you go to Ivy Masters Learning Center and you go to playlists, you can find the shorter videos just below the longer videos. Just find your test and module number and then the question number. Have a great day.